up, y'all? This is your girl Glenda, and we are back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, and I know you do, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bells so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, on to this video. This is a quick video. Our menu tonight is just going to be some fajita nachos. I got some rice over here cooking already. Y'all seen me make my Mexican rice before, so I did not record that. I did that off camera. This pot right here is just gonna have some chicken, chicken breast fajitas that you guys have seen me cook before, okay? And I'm gonna do a mixture of the chicken and the beef, all right? We're gonna work that out. And I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water to this just to kind of help it along. About half a cup or so, just to kind of help it get going. We got this on a medium heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and season these. Now, I don't have any taco seasoning. That would make this a lot quicker than normal, you know. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of use the ingredients that I would use in that taco, you know, taco seasoning use. So I'm gonna go in with some chili powder. So I'm gonna tell y'all about a teaspoon of each one of these ingredients. Got some oregano. Yes, I said it, oregano, and some onion powder and some garlic powder. Y'all, I don't want a little too much on that onion powder, but it'll be all right. And then we got some garlic powder, and then I'm going in black pepper, and then some cumin, y'all. Cumin, ground cumin, and that's my taco seasoning. That's it. And I didn't put any like salt in this because these are seasoned already. The beef fajita is seasoned, and the chicken breast are seasoned, so we don't want to overdo it. And we just gonna mix this up and let this come to a good old simmer. Let it break down, get unthawed, and then we're going to put together some nachos. I have some Rosarita refried beans over here that are gonna just go in the microwave. We got lettuce and tomato, I believe, that are gonna go on this, and some onion. We got some sour cream. Whatever anybody wants to put on their nachos, they are welcome to do that. And we're gonna be using the On the Border thick and crispy nacho chips that you should have seen a video for just before this one, of a small grocery haul that we had. So I will see you guys back here in a minute to show you what this looks like when it's just about done. All right, see you in a bit. All right, y'all, we back, and the rice is done. Look how good and fluffy that looks. Woo. All right, so we finna put these nachos together. Now, I'm a little unorthodox. I can bring it back. And I'm gonna be putting them out on a tray instead of a plate. So here, so just a little something different for me, so that the chips can kind of be, you know, spread out, and at least most of the chips get a little something. So I'm gonna start with, I guess I'll start with putting some beans. And these are just the Rosarita beans we told you earlier, got put in the microwave. And I'm working on husband's tray right now. Now I'm gonna add some cheese on his. Just hang in there with me, y'all. I know y'all like cheese, go on top. Just hold on a second. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our rice. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of rice all over. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna go in with, here's our meat. I told you I was coming back when this meat was almost done, and we didn't, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna sprinkle, and I just kind of chop down the chicken because, you know, the chicken is pretty hardy. It comes in bigger pieces. Little chicken, little beef, little chicken, little beef, the chicken and little beef. All right. Now the next thing is I'm going to add a little bit more. No, I'm gonna add in some onions. I got some purple and some white onion over here. Use what you like. If you got some green onion, that actually will be perfect on here for a pop of color. He loves onions, so we're gonna put them. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more shredded cheese, just a little bit, because we finna do a little doozy right here. I'm going in with some Tostitos nacho cheese, just what you buy in the jar. That's what I got, salsa con queso. Just add that on there as little or as much as you like, and we have heated up this jar, so it's all right. So last but not least, I'm gonna go in, well, not last, but I've got some leftover iceberg lettuce from some, what do we have, tacos for Nana's birthday. So y'all know I don't really do iceberg lettuce like that, but we're gonna eat it tonight. We're gonna eat it tonight. And we got some leftover tomatoes from that day from our taco bar. Put him a few tomatoes on there. And then, now this is last but not least, a dollop of sour cream, a couple of dollars. There you go. And this, y'all, is our fajita tray nachos. All right, so let's try this recipe out. It's something quick, it's simple, it's easy. You can make it. We got all of our working mothers out there that can come home and do something real quick. This is it. The rice only takes 20 minutes to make, about as long as it takes for the rice to make. The meat will break down in that pot for you. While it's doing that, you can be cutting up your lettuce and tomatoes and stuff. And yeah, this is it. We will see y'all on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Like, share, and subscribe.